Hi guys, Martin the Vlogger here, and part 3 of rebuilding Can-Am Spyder RT20 Plus. We call it Poseidon, and actually it's 2022 model. I bought it from one of the gentlemen here in Slovakia, and it has already around 6,000 kilometers, something like that. But we need to put it into Martin the Vlogger standards, so something like 5, 6, 7 grand will go into that bike in upgrades, because better handling, better performance, better comfort, everything for my guests that comes to ride with me with a tour and rental agency, toursont3.com, my tour and rental agency. So what's today's part all about? And by the way, let me stop here. Here I was going around the bike looking amazingly, kind of, and let me know in the comments if you are facing the same thing. On a bike that costs between 28 to 34, 35 grand, scratches. This bike has 7,000 kilometers, and look at these scratches. Of course, under this light, in the garage, whatever, it's more visible. But this piano thing is pissing me off. So let me know what's your opinion. And actually, to tell you one behind the scenes thing, some BRP dealers refuse to clean your bike from the dust when they are giving to you as a brand new bike. You know why? Because they know they will create scratches on that piano bullshit black. What's today's episode all about? We're gonna have it's gonna be about wrap. I need to finish this. And in episode 2, I think, of this, I have told you that we are building our own wrap. So you will see what's the process. It's not easy process. Just to let you know, the bike, either you have Ryker, Spyder F3 as limited, RT models. You can buy templates. You can go on the internet, 50 to 100 euros. You can buy templates, run it. If you have a machine, printer, good printer, whatever, you can create actually your own wrap. But there is a problem. Most of those templates are just not good. Not good enough for me. One thing why I'm creating a new wrap is because of this. It's very important. Can you see that? Do you see that? Work with me. Light, camera. Yes, I think so. Yes, no, yes, no. Never mind. There is a pattern, like a net. And why it is good for? Because it will help you to stick the wrap or stick the sticker, call it as you like, and to have less bubbles, so less annoying thing. And sometimes you have really big pieces. That's a great thing. However, I need to put as many pieces as possible within the next couple of hours, because there is a lady coming in that she will be doing, you know, part like this is not okay because it's a little bit out, so we need to fix that. We need to fix a couple of things in front, and in order to make it perfect. And by the way, no bullshit on 3, NOBS 3. That's something new. I will tell you a little bit more in today's video, maybe, hopefully. More and more you will see this on my YouTube channel and on my shop, because we are doing rebranding. Martin the Vlogger is Martin the Vlogger. It will stay as Martin the Vlogger, but we need to move and go, you know, be more professional. So no bullshit on 3, because there is no bullshit from Slovakia. Let me know what you think. In case word bullshit is a little bit too much. In case you are ready to wear some t-shirts with this, or in case you will be okay to wear or put some parts that will have NOBS written on it. Let me know in the comments. I'm curious to know. Anyway, I need to work because I have a lot of items to put on the bike. And I'm curious to see how the bike will look with having this rough part combined with this glossy part. Oh, I don't know. Honestly, I'm a little bit worried if it's gonna play well or not, but we will see it. Enough of this bullshit. Let's get started. So, what's the situation with the wrap, with the bike, with NOBS? What is really behind? Let me bring you more insights. Wrap, you tell me. But I think look, this looks nice. This looks absolutely great. A little bit of fire, good, and of course the dragon. Ooh, nice. Dragon, you will scare the hell out of people. Situation with the rabbits, challenging. For me, the positive thing is it looks great. It looks great that this thing over here looks good, and the black mat or whatever it is, this different texture style works great with the shiny colors or shiny glossy finish. It looks great like this. It's just, I'm surprised. And you tell me in comments if you like it or not. Now, what is challenging? What is challenging is the complete vision. Why wraps? Why NOBS 3 will be doing wraps? Because we want to bring this opportunity to everyone to do it at home. Yes, it's not going to be perfect because you will make most probably tiny mistakes, but that's great because it will be almost not visible. And you know it's your mistakes, and you know you will learn a little bit more about your bike, and again the bike will be a little bit different. But in order to do this, the wrap needs to be good. The second thing that needs to change is that wrap needs to be applicable for the majority of the people. For the people that has hands, not shovels, and they are a little bit skilled. In order to do that, we need to come with a design. It's not this. We need to have some openings here or split it. So this is a too big piece, you know. Even we have had a trouble. And of course I did installations before, and I didn't have any trouble. So I did have a trouble, but just a tiny bit. Now the problem is the second thing. Not only the templates, and I don't want to go into details. We need to redesign the templates, end story. But the second trouble comes with me being me, and me trying to, what NOBS stands for. NOBS 3 stands for quality and no bullshit from Slovakia. That means high quality. And I applied a thick layer of a clear coat. I was told by the lady that does the wraps, she owns the company, we are cooperating together. Don't do that. I did it. Mistake. So what it costs, maybe you will see it like this. Do you see it? Ah, it's here. It's just one tiny piece. So the problem is when you put too big clear coating, and you need to put clear coating because how the stickers or wraps are done, you have a clear, or you have a paper, let's say, or whatever, and you print the design, and on the design you put a coating. Either it's clear like this, or it's gonna be that kind of thing, whatever it is. Bigger and thicker the layer, more protection against UV, against rocks and scratches and stuff. However, much more harder manipulation with applying it. So we will need to find the right balance, and it requires time. But we will do it, we will succeed. So overall, we need to adjust the template. The bike will go, we have decided it will go away and we'll go to her wrap studio. She will be doing everything in there. And that's the true story, how these things are going with our wrap. So yes, it will require some extra time. Now, NOBS 3, why and what you can expect from this. I really don't want to touch this topic in this video because I believe I will create a separate video about it. We are simply growing. Martin the Vlogger, it's Martin the Vlogger, it's me. We're simply growing, so we need a real brand. And I have decided, because I'm using a lot in my intros or whatever, no bullshit. It comes from the honesty that I have started the videos with, and so no bullshit on 3. So NOBS 3 will be the brand. In 2025 you will see a lot of NOBS 3 on martinthevlogger.com/shop. So we will be preparing for rebranding. Enough of this bullshit. We will still continue to rebuild this bike. We have another bike outside that needs to be rebuilt. It's F3 limited special series, so stay tuned on that. More riding videos are coming, so stay tuned on that. And remember, be safe, relax, come ride tours with Martin the Vlogger. Shop on martinthevlogger.com/shop. That's gonna be soon renamed to NOBS3. And always have fun.